at sagdas ang mga utot dito. Jimmer family. Mag-vlog ko. Okay, let's go on in. So, ano. Ako silitit. Kasi RJ guys.
Nagbantay ko, nabuang na, wala ka ako, Dre.
Chokoy. Chokoya! Baba, ganyan mo yung sis. Ana. Ako sabi. Ay, sorry. Uy, ako sabi. Yeah, tuloy na guys. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye to Angelo. No. Angelo. Bye-bye. Hey, can you hold this? Yung cogs. I-hold eh. I-hold. Sa pocket oh. It's yummy. Ito lang guys. It's yummy. Oy! Sinilas ako nagawas. Dali. Bogtai. Sito. Anyways. Mag-pray me guys. Ay, magkaon. Yeah.
It was a bomb. It was a bomb. Then they go shoot me too. How am I dead? Dang it, no!
Ilay?
You put it back together, right?
Lamay kayo. Napod ngingane. Napod ngingane.
Domed my bagel as soon as Dingus got blown up. It was a wobble combo. Where are you?
Uy, kani napod.
You're next. Stud, you need to make it to the other side and stop him. Okay, I'm doing it. Here, the names of the fallen have meaning because you refuse to forget them, Stud. I'm doing it. Lock in for your brother and goobags. Okay, I made it. Let's go. Omega, you killed my brother. You killed my furry friend. Now I'm gonna kill you. Killed Dingus. He's dead. I slobbed out Dingus. You know what? I won't let the furry and my brother's lives go to waste. I'll win this. Nah, he's calling me a furry again. Well, yeah. How did the furry not sniff out the bombs under the